Do you spend countless hours on YouTube trying to figure out what to do and what's best for your dreads? Well, it's mandatory that you join the dread community with 50 plus videos, step-by-step course on how to do whatever you want with your dreads. And oh yeah, we have a live 24/7 group chat that shares information with each other. Join now, first link in the description. Oh, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Now I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me down below, turn on post notifications, yo. And it also, man, make sure y'all tap into that dread journey, first link in the description. Basically, I got a full course on whatever you're trying to do with your dreads. If you're trying to freeform your dreads, however you're trying to start your dreads, man, first link in the description, right? So today, this video right here, I'll be showing you guys the evolution of Kodak Black's dreads from then till now, you know what I'm saying? Basically, before prison, after prison, you know what I'm saying? It's a lot of conspiracy stuff going on. So let's hop straight into it. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. Let's go. Alright, man, hopping straight into it, man. This was basically when Kodak was like booming, you know what I'm saying? This one like no flocking, all that type junk, you know what I'm saying? Kodak face was like very fresh to the industry, to the world pretty much, you know what I'm saying? So basically what he got here is Bantu knots, you know what I'm saying? So he grew his wicks. If you don't know, if you're not familiar with wicks, you know what I'm saying, then you pretty much, you don't know, you basically don't know nothing about the Florida culture. If you don't, hey, what Beanstalk say, hey, shout out to Beanstalk, what Beanstalk say, Wick City, you know what I'm saying? So you basically don't know nothing about Florida culture. But anyways, bro, this is how he basically started his wicks, and this is how he started out his freeform dreads, you feel me? So this style right here is very popular in Florida. You feel me? So that's basically how he started his freeform dread journey off like that. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much like the beginning stage right there. The next picture that you about to see is when your wigs start growing. You know what I'm saying? So if you ever, I'm pretty sure, like if you listen to rap music, I'm pretty sure like 90% of America. I ain't looked up the statistics, but I know majority of America listen to hip hop. You know what I'm saying? Hip hop is pretty much global now. You know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty, y'all probably seen this type of hairstyle before, either on your favorite rapper or on some type of rapper. You feel me? The the wicks type hairstyle on one of your rappers. But yeah, man, this is how they grow out, man. They grow out looking like some people relate them to Goku and shit like that. But yeah, man, this is how they grow out. You feel me? They grow out kind of like tall and sticky and pointy, looking like, you know what I'm saying? But to other people, it look kind of crazy. But down in Florida, if you go down in Florida, bro, a lot of people gonna have wicks. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people gonna have dreads. So yeah, this is how they grew out for him. And this and then the third. So this is when Kodak Black came home from jail. Now let me tell y'all something, bro. When I was looking at Kodak Black, like all these pictures that I'm providing for you guys, man, it was kind of difficult because this man has went to jail and came back home so many times. But not this time he went to jail, but the last time he went to jail and came back home, he cut off his wicks. You know what I'm saying? So he cut off his wicks, and later on down the line, I'm gonna explain to y'all like how he got his wicks the way it is now. Like right now, y'all be thinking like he a clone and stuff like that. But I'm gonna tell y'all that later on in the video. But yeah, right here he getting his wicks basically chopped off. You know what I'm saying? He basically starting all over. I don't know the reason. I personally don't know the reason why he chopped his wicks off. But yeah, this is him coming back home from jail. Not the first time, because I don't know how many times this nigga done went to jail. But yeah, not this time, but the last time. You feel me? And yeah, so he basically started, it looked like right here, I ain't gonna cap, it looked like he ain't using no method. He fucked around, probably used the sponge method, but it looked like he just letting his hair grow out. Because if you black, bro, you gonna know what I'm saying is, bro, like your hair is gonna naturally grow out like that. You know what I'm saying? Your hair is naturally gonna grow out curly, or however you want to describe the texture of his hair in this video. But he probably didn't even mess around, use the sponge method. He probably just let his hair grow out in afro stage without even picking or combing or brushing his hair. You know what I'm saying? Just naturally letting his hair fro up. You know what I'm saying? And this right here, it probably looked like a year. So it's probably like a year after he got his wicks cut off. Probably less than a year. I'm not too sure. But This right here, it looks like he got a lot of new growth under that hair. You gotta understand that ain't even picked out. You feel me? So yeah. And this next one, you can kind of see he's starting to get his wicks back. It's kind of getting separated. I truly don't even know what method he using right here. You know what I'm saying? I truly don't. I ain't never. Y'all, hey, have y'all ever seen the when he had the yellow hair? Yeah, this is around that time. You feel me? So he basically right here, he getting ready. Look like he getting back ready for wicks. No cap. His hair is separated. You see he got parts in his hair, and this and that and the third. But yeah, right here you could tell like his hair been growing for a minute, growing for like at least a year. That's what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say from my eyes at least a year. You feel me? But yeah, Kodak Black, he always had this type of style to his hair. You feel me? So this right here ain't nothing new to Kodak Black. But yeah, man, like I was saying earlier though, y'all about to see in this next picture, this man went to jail so many times, bro. So yeah, this is right. This is when he's starting back his wicks. You know what I'm saying? He's starting back his wicks. Now I don't know. Damn, Kodak, why you gotta stare at a nigga like? But nah, let me tighten up. I don't know if he was like thinking about starting getting his wigs back, cause you know when you cut them off, you can reattach them. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of people who, when you cut your dreads off, you can reattach your dreads. You know what I'm saying? If you didn't know that, now you know. But a lot of people either get lock extensions or reattach their dreads. You know what I'm saying? If you know Fetty Wap, then Fetty Wap, that's not his hair. Lil Pump, that's not his hair. I think Trippie Redd got lock extensions too. It's a lot of niggas that got lock extensions, but I'm saying like you can reattach your hair. You feel me? Your own hair. I'm not saying somebody else's hair, but your own hair. You feel me? Like you'll be bypassing the ugly stage, basically what I'm trying to tell you. But yeah, this right here is when he was, you know what I'm saying? So this right here, I think they was like transferring him like throughout the jails and stuff like that. If you ain't never been to jail or anything like that, then you don't, like, if you don't know the system, basically, I'm not saying you gotta go to jail to know the system, but if you don't know the system, you go from one jail to another jail if you have different cases. You know what I'm saying? But not to get too deep into that, but basically him transferring through jails and stuff like that, he growing his wicks back out. You feel me? And they look kind of like I say, to other people, to outsiders or anything like that, they look kind of crazy. They look kind of, you know what I'm saying, pointing. I'm from Georgia. You feel me? And we don't really see wicks in Georgia. You feel me? You, like I say, but if you go down there to Florida, you feel what I'm saying? Yeah. But this ain't the last time he was in jail, but it was like, okay, this is with him with Johnny Dang, you know what I'm saying? That's Johnny Dang on the left, y'all. I'm pretty sure y'all know the drill. Like, everybody be hyping Johnny Dang up, and nigga barely can speak. But anyways, yeah, man, this is when he's out right now. This is currently, you know what I'm saying? So you see he grew his wicks back out. He grew his wicks in prison. You feel me? So he basically grew his hair out in prison. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how, like, but you gotta understand though, bro was in prison for like how many years? 2 years? Probably like 2 years, 1.5, 2 years. You know what I'm saying? Fighting like the gun case or whatever he was fighting. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. So it basically took him 2 years just to get his wicks back, laying down, all that type stuff. I'm pretty sure in jail he was probably using some more type stuff to keep his hair matted up, because that's all wicks is, bro. Wicks is just your hair matted up, basically. And this is another standpoint. This is from another angle. You can actually see his hair standing up, all that type stuff he'll do to his hair. But yeah, man, like I say, this is some Florida shit. You know what I'm saying? So down there, when you go to Florida, if you ever go to Florida, bro, you can be seeing this a lot. You know what I'm saying? Hair looking like palm trees and shit. But yeah, in Georgia, you know what I'm saying, you're going to be seeing the dreadlocks. You know, I mean, in Florida, you're going to see dreadlocks too, but you're probably going to see more freeform. You feel me? But yeah, you're going to see these wicks. I mean, freeforms are wicks. I don't know. Comment down below how y'all feel about his hair transformation, his hair evolution. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Like I say, man, first link in the description. If you want to start up your dreads or anything like that, you have any questions, first link in the description, all right? Make sure I hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.